Have you ever asked yourself, if you lost your job or finances, what would be your plan B? I asked myself this question after I lost thousands of dollars to a close friend that I helped out to never return back my money and stopped answering my calls and messages. I was devastated and I ended up suffering very serious financial circumstances while waiting for my money that never came. I reached a point and I thought to myself I needed to look for something else to do to supplement my income. I'm going to share with you about an amazing business opportunity I came across on social media. Hi there, I'm Sarah Kariuki, a digital business owner and a gospel musician. A few months ago, I was on social media listening to music, and there was this ad that kept popping up. I listened to the ad. It's from a couple that ran a successful online business. I was moved by their story, how they were able to pay off their consumer debt, save for their future, support their parents, and also support ministry. With no hesitation, I was very sure that this is the solution that I've been looking for. I took action, and I'm glad that I did, because now I have the opportunity of achieving my financial dreams. If you're someone who is coachable, who is hardworking, who is willing to grow, who is looking for a solution to pay off your debt or start an online business, just like I was, I would like to encourage you to take a step of faith and come see for yourself how regular people just like you and me are changing their lives, financial lives, for the better. Please click the link below to register yourself with your name and email address for the free workshop that is coming up, and I'll send you all the information that you need to start your own online business. In this business, you'll be provided with all the training you need. You'll have access to our coaches and mentors who will support you. And there is no begging friends or family. And you don't need to be a tech savvy to run an online business. We do have an automated system that will do all the work for you. Please click the link below at sarahkariuki.net. Sign up with your name and email address for the free 90-minute workshop. Thank you so much, and I look forward to seeing you on the inside.